Hello everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you all to our YouTube channel TNV Academy, your learning partner for advanced ISO standards and space system excellence. In today's session, we will explore a cutting-edge topic, how ISO 20681 helps in satellite navigation accuracy. We will break down what ISO 20681 is, what satellite navigation accuracy means, how this standard improves system engineering, integration, and performance in navigation systems. By the end of this session, you will understand how ISO 20681 can be used to enhance positioning precision in satellite systems like GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and others. So let's begin our journey toward precision and reliability in satellite navigation. Overview of satellite navigation systems. Before we dive into ISO 20681, let's understand satellite navigation systems. These systems use space-based satellites to deliver position, velocity, and timing, that is PVT data, to users across the globe. For examples, GPS, USA, Galileo, EU, GLONASS, Russia, Beidou, China. Key factors affecting navigation accuracy: satellite clock precision, orbital prediction accuracy, atmospheric conditions, ground station synchronization, data integrity and latency. Achieving high accuracy like centimeter level positioning requires meticulous systems engineering, and that is where ISO 20681 becomes vital. Introduction to ISO 20681. ISO 20681 2021 provides systems engineering principles and process guidelines for space systems. Key objectives of ISO 20681: improve interoperability of space systems, ensure traceability from requirements to implementation, reduce development risk, and improve integration quality. Provide a standardized engineering framework for complex space missions. In the context of satellite navigation, ISO 20681 ensures precision in system definition, reliability in interface integration, accuracy in testing and validation of navigation, payloads, and signals. Technical concepts in navigation accuracy. Let's talk about what accuracy means in satellite navigation. 3 dimensions of accuracy. Spatial accuracy, how close the computed position is to the actual location. Temporal accuracy, timing precision used for data synchronization. Reliability and integrity, how often wrong data is detected and corrected. Accuracy is influenced by satellite signal quality, FM errors and clock data integrity, signal propagation errors, for example, ionospheric delay. Multipath effects. These technical challenges require highly integrated systems, careful interface design, and robust validation procedures, all promoted by ISO 20681. How ISO 20681 supports navigation accuracy. Here is how ISO 20681 directly impacts satellite navigation accuracy. Clear requirement definition. Ensure every aspect of PVT performance is documented and validated. Helps in defining tolerances and margins in signal quality. System architecture discipline. Promotes layered, modular designs for satellite payloads, control centers, and user segments. Defines clean interfaces and avoids cross-system errors. Interface control. Minimizes integration errors through structured ICDs, that is, interface control documents. Ensures synchronization between navigation payloads and ground software. Verification and validation, that is V&V, helps test signal precision and timing in realistic conditions. Reduces drift and false accuracy in early system phases. Risk management. Identifies sources of signal degradation or errors early. Implements mitigation like error modeling, dual frequency techniques, or redundant timing chains. Practical example: ISO 20681 in our GNSS payload design. Let's walk through a realistic application scenario. Imagine designing a global navigation satellite system payload using ISO 20681. You begin with system-level requirements: position accuracy, that is smaller than 1 meter, time accuracy, that is smaller than 20 nanoseconds. Then move to interface design, signal generation modules. Signal generation modules, atomic clocks, RF amplifiers. Create verification matrix to test signal distortion, Doppler shift timing errors. Define validation procedures, including end-to-end test from satellite to receiver. Throughout, ISO 20681 ensures alignment between user needs, technical design, and verification. Result: a payload that reliably delivers sub-meter level accuracy. Satellite control and ground segment accuracy. Satellite navigation is not just about the satellite, it includes the ground segment too. ISO 20681 guides integration between ground control software, uplink and downlink stations, system time synchronization modules using ISO 20681. Ground system engineers define protocols for satellite updates and clock corrections. V&V teams stimulate data latency and real-time behavior. Change management ensures satellite updates don't degrade signal accuracy. The system-wide navigation accuracy is preserved. Challenges in achieving accuracy. ISO 20681 as the solution. Some key challenges in satellite navigation accuracy. Inconsistency in system architecture, poor documentation, inadequate interface definition, delays in system validation, misalignment between space and ground segments. ISO 20681 addresses each challenge through structured lifecycle phases, consistent documentation, verification plans, interface agreements, coordinated updates. It acts as a blueprint for precision engineering. Integration with other ISO standards. ISO 20681 works best when integrated with other standards. ISO 9001 for quality assurance, ISO 27001 for data security of navigation information, ISO 21390 for space systems lifecycle definitions, ISO 19116 for geographic position standards, ECSS EST 10C for ESA compliant system engineering. This combined framework ensures accuracy, security, traceability, and compliance. So now let's summarize today's key takeaways. Satellite navigation accuracy is essential for everything from autonomous diving to missile targeting and scientific missions. ISO 20681 provides the systems engineering framework needed to design, integrate, and validate satellite systems with high positioning precision. It helps reduce signal errors, manage risk, improve interoperability, and builds trust in satellite-based systems. With ISO 20681, you are not just building a satellite, you are building precision, performance, and predictability. Thank you for watching this lecture on TNV Academy. If you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel TNV Academy. And if you have questions or want us to explore another ISO topic, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, aim for accuracy and always reach for the stars. And I will see you in the next episode.